Our goal is to essentially grow DeFi, right? Like expand the pie. And one of the most interesting use cases for accelerating the growth of DeFi is all this, let's call it first generation blockchains like Ripple, Stellar, Cardano, others that have very large TVLs, very almost non-existent DeFi activity. So we think bringing that presence on chain, either via wrapping, staking, and our primitive, could unlock all sorts of scenarios. So we have been active partners with players on their design ecosystem for a while. And a few months ago, Hugo approached me with this idea of what if we figure out how to stake XRP to provide yields. And I thought it was brilliant. So we decided to partner on it, and hopefully the initial reactions have been extremely positive. So we think we're gonna be fully launching the first version soon, and the expectations are pretty high.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.